Think whey protein is only for building muscle? Well, in this video, you will learn exactly how whey protein can be used for weight loss and better health instead of just using it to pack on muscle. A lot of people generally believe that whey protein is only for bodybuilders, fitness models, and the guys you see lifting trucks off the ground. Yeah, that's actually a thing. But in reality, a lot of men and women use whey protein as a tremendous tool to lose weight. Whey protein is a mixture of proteins in whey, which is a byproduct of cheese production. It's usually sold as a flavored powder, which is added to shakes, meal replacements, and protein bars. With whey protein supplements being quick and convenient, adding them to your diet regimen can only do wonders for you. And that's why today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use whey protein for weight loss with 7 of our best tips for beginners. Stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to get notified of our latest video. Number 1. Understand what whey protein actually is. Whey protein is a mixture of proteins isolated from whey, which is the liquid part of milk that separates during the cheese production. Milk actually contains 2 main types of protein, known as casein, which is about 80%, and whey, which is the other 20%. After being separated during cheese production, whey goes through various processing steps to become what people generally recognize as whey protein. Whey protein doesn't actually taste good on its own, which is why you'll see a lot of flavored versions, from your standard flavors such as chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry to your more unique options such as mint chocolate chip or even red velvet. So why take whey? Number 1, taking whey protein is just a convenient way to add protein on top of your daily intake and make it easier for you when you don't want to cook any meals. And number 2, because it's convenient, it makes it easier to make sure that you eat the right amount of protein if you're lacking in it, which is really important for overall weight loss. Number 2, understanding the different types of whey protein. The 3 main forms of protein powder are known as whey concentrate, isolate, and hydrolysate. Concentrate is about 70 to 80% protein with some milk, sugar, and fat. Isolate is 90% protein and has slightly less sugar and fat. Hydrolysate is also known as hydrolyzed whey and has virtually 0 sugar and fat and is mixed with enzymes for faster digestion into the bloodstream. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, does the type of protein matter? Not so much. The small differences between the 3 are not enough that it should cause you any stress or concern. The most important thing to consider when consuming protein is to make sure that you're getting adequate amounts in your overall diet. But for what it's worth, whey protein concentrate seems to be the overall best option. It's the cheapest and retains most of the beneficial nutrients found naturally in whey. And many people prefer also the taste, which is probably due to the lactose and fat. Number 3, understanding why protein works so well for weight loss. There are 3 particular reasons that makes whey protein such a great supplement to use when it comes to weight loss. Number 1, whey protein reduces hunger so you can consume fewer calories. To lose excess body fat, it's almost necessary to reduce the number of calories you consume each day. However, in many cases, this is easier said than done because reducing calorie consumption increases hunger and the desire to eat. Most of us can resist hunger for a few days, but few of us can resist hunger for more than a few weeks, and that's why most weight loss diets don't last very long. Number 2, whey protein blocks fat storage. In a recent French study, laboratory animals were fed a normal diet, a high protein diet, or a whey enriched high protein diet for 42 days. At the end of the study period, the animals fed the whey diet weighed 30% less than those fed the normal diet and 17% less than those fed the regular high protein diet, yet the whey fed animals had the highest level of lean body mass of the 3 groups. The researchers conducting the study attributed these results to reduced fat storage caused by the high concentrations of branched chain amino acids in the whey product used. And number 3, whey protein enhances the fat burning effects of exercise. As we all know, exercise is essential for optimal health and for developing and maintaining a lean body composition. It preserves lean muscle tissue when dropping weight and ensures that when you do lose the weight, the majority of it is fat instead of muscle. Number 4, whey protein has many health benefits which make weight loss easier. Some of these benefits include lowering your blood pressure, reducing your symptoms of stress and anxiety, promoting muscle growth, help you get in more water naturally, and even contain a small amount of antioxidants. Antioxidants are substances that act against oxidation in the body, reducing oxidative stress and cutting the risk of various chronic diseases. One of the most important antioxidants in humans is glutathione. Unlike most antioxidants we get from the diet, glutathione is produced by the body. Glutathione production depends on the supply of several amino acids, such as cysteine, which is sometimes of limited supply. And for this reason, high cysteine foods such as whey protein may boost the body's natural antioxidants defenses. Muscle mass naturally declines with age, which usually leads to fat gain and raises the risk of many chronic diseases. However, this adverse change in body composition can be partially slowed, prevented, or reversed with a combination of strength training and an adequate diet. Whey protein is effective for the prevention of age-related muscle loss as well for improved strength and a better-looking body. For muscle growth, whey protein has been shown to be slightly better compared to other types of protein such as casein or soy. However, unless your diet is already lacking in protein, supplements probably won't make a big difference. Number 5. Timing your protein consumption. People often wonder when's the best time to take your protein powder. This actually depends on what your health and fitness goals are. You may want to consume it at a particular time of the day, depending on whether you want to lose weight, build muscle, or preserve muscle. As a point of reference, here are the best times to take protein based on your specific goals. For losing weight, consuming protein-rich snacks between meals is ideal for weight loss. As we mentioned earlier, it helps curb hunger, which could lead to you eating fewer calories later in the day. For building muscle, you'll generally want to consume protein within 2 hours after working out. And for people who train in a fasted state, like before breakfast, they should ideally take protein right after working out. Now, to prevent muscle loss, you'll want to aim to eat about 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal. Taking a protein supplement at meals during which you consume less protein, such as breakfast, can help spread your intake over the day. For exercise performance and recovery, endurance athletes may see improved performance and recovery from taking protein with a source of carbs during and after exercise. Resistance training athletes can benefit from taking protein either immediately before or after a workout. Number 6. Making meal replacements with whey protein for weight loss. The great thing about protein powder is that you can mix it with a bunch of ingredients to make your own meal replacement and control how many calories the shake will be. And since we're aiming for weight loss, you'll want to focus primarily on low-calorie ingredients. Try avoid using milk for your shake as it has a good amount of sugar, and instead use water or unsweetened nut milks like cashew, almond, and coconut milk. For the rest of the ingredients, you can choose to add an extra source of protein such as oatmeal or Greek yogurt. You can also add different fruits for a flavor boost along with a fiber product such as frozen spinach. And don't worry, you'll barely taste the spinach if you mix a good amount of ingredients in. Remember, you can be really creative with your smoothies, so don't be afraid to mix and match new ingredients. The important thing to keep in mind, however, is to keep your total calorie consumption in a day at a deficit so that you can continue to lose weight. For example, if your shake ends up being 500 calories and your total daily caloric consumption needs to be 1500 for you to lose weight, then you need to make sure that the rest of the meals you eat don't go over 1000 calories. And finally, number 7, eat just enough protein for weight loss. According to the National Academy of Sports Medicine, if you want to lose weight, aim for a daily protein intake between 1.6 and 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram, which is 0.73 and 1 grams per pound. Athletes in heavy exercise are different, however, and are recommended to consume 2.2 to 3.4 grams of protein per kilogram, which is 1 to 1.5 grams per pound if you're aiming for weight loss. As I briefly mentioned earlier, there are dozens of different flavors out there and many supplement companies coming up with their own concoction, even plant-based versions. As such, the best thing to do when purchasing one is to look at the reviews, see what type of ingredients are used in their product, and determine which is best for your goals. Whey protein is an exceptionally healthy way to add more protein to your diet. It's a quality protein source that is absorbed and utilized efficiently by the human body. This is particularly important for athletes, bodybuilders, or people who need to gain muscle mass and strength while losing fat. And when it comes to muscle gain and fat loss, protein is the king of nutrients. So there you have it, 7 tips to start using whey protein to lose weight. Let us know in the comments below if you have any additional suggestions. If you enjoyed today's content, make sure to smash the like button as it helps support the channel and with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.